Hi there, you guys. This is Janet Fritz for Galaxy Girl Creations, and this is our third week of Kit Conspiracy, and I am sharing my kit, which should be identical to MK's kit. So we started off with some Simple Stories Good Day Sunshine, and this is the coordinating paper pack, and I actually do have all 6 sheets. So here's the wood grain and the ledger. Super useful. A green polka dot and a green ombre, which is really kind of pretty. I love that lime green kind of color. A red polka dot and a red ombre. A blue or turquoise or aqua, whatever color you're calling this. I think it's more, it says blue, but it's more turquoise. I think aqua to me might have a little more green in it, but that's okay. Ombre. Yellow with kind of orangey polka dots and a yellow ombre. Pink polka dots. Pink ombre. And these are from, let's see here if it has a date on it. You know, there's no date on that. I wonder if there's a date on this guy, because this is old paper. It is not anything new. No date on that either, but I'm gonna guess it's like 2013 or 14 or something like that. And then we have these 2 weathered wood in turquoise. These are from Close to My Heart, and they are polka dot on the back side. So I have 2 sheets of that. I'll probably do a double pager out of that. Makes it really easy when you have 2 sheets. And this is called My Reflections. It's Seaside, and it's from 2014. So we are both using that. We have this glittery paper in a rainbow. It kind of feels like it's got a backing on it, like it's adhesive, but I don't think it does. I don't know where this is from. MK sent it to me. She had a couple sheets. She also sent me the Close to My Heart stuff, because I was missing just a couple of things and she had multiples. So thank you to her. So yeah, I don't know what I'll use that for, but I'm sure it'll come in handy. I'm really curious to see what MK does with it. Totally not her style. And then we have a bunch of Good Day Sunshine collection. So this is the page elements, the 6x12. I'm sure I could cut it up. You could actually do a page just on having the half and half kind of a look. So yep, 2014. So this collection is quite old. We have this one that has this great title that says Summer. I'm not sure if I will use the thing that says Summer, because I chose some photographs already, and they are from May of 2009. So I guess I could. Summer is kind of starting around that time, but there's lots of other fun things on there. And then the back side is other border strips, and I like that they have like a combination. Some of them are horizontal, like the word Summer, and then some of them, like this would look really cool being vertical. Another vertical. I mean, you could turn them any way you want them, but I like that there's options. This is another cut apart sheet. A lot of these you would use for a 6x8 album, so I'm kind of curious to see how I'm going to use them. I will probably do a lot of layering maybe with those. Some 4x6 verticals. So maybe some journaling spots. We'll see. I like this one that says Good Day Sunshine. My photos are from the kids at a water park for their end of the year homeschool party. So I like that it doesn't necessarily say summer, but it does say sunshine, because it was definitely a sunny day. So, and I have quite a few photos, so I'm going to start with those and see what I have, you know, how much paper I have left. I might be searching for photos to add to my kit here. So this is just 3x4, not 4x6, 3x4 cut aparts. I love the cards that you can write on, so very handy. You could also use some of it for your part of your title. More layering bits too. This is a wood grain with all kinds of little flowers, which could be totally useful, but I actually really like this side because You can use these in your embellishment clusters to kind of like bring things together, because I don't have a lot of embellishments for this collection. Well, I don't probably have any embellishments that go specific to this collection, but you know, using these in your embellishment areas would definitely kind of keep it cohesive. Lots of things there. Same here, you could cut these circles out. I don't know if I'd use that as a whole sheet. I'd probably be more likely to use this side, but we'll see. You never know. This great big chevron on wood grain and polka dots. I kind of like the polka dots better. The wood grain in this collection is a little bit dark for my taste. It's not that I wouldn't use it, but it is darker than I prefer. This one is called Chill Out. I haven't been reading the names because I don't know why. This one's called Enjoy the View. This one is called Life is Beachy. This one is Journaling Card Elements. Horizontal Journaling Card Elements. Vertical Journaling Card Elements. This one is called 4x4 Quote and 6x8 Photo Mat Elements. And this one is called Borders and 4x12 Title Strips. And this one is called Page Elements, 6x12 Page Elements. So if you were trying to find out what the names of them are, I apologize. I just went through those pretty quickly. I'll try to remember to name the rest of them. So that one's Chill Out. This one is like the paint chips, and it is called Shades of Summer. Very rainbow. And the back is floral. Simple Stories always does this where they like have, this one's kind of a more creamy background and this one's more white. And so you could definitely mix your white and your creams. I guess if I saw that on its own, I wouldn't necessarily call it cream, but when you see it next to that, it's definitely more cream. This one is just a rainbow ombre kind of a look. This one is called Carefree. It's got this detailing down in the corner, and it looks like a piece of like old Scotch tape or something across the top. This one is called Blue Skies. Lots of word phrases on there. And then the back is just a sky. I'm not really sure what I'll do with this paper. I kind of like this side better, even though it's the wood grain, just because this kind of has a green kind of a tone to it. I don't know, a yellowy green. I'm not too into that. I'm not too crazy about it, but we'll see. Never know. And then I have two sticker sheets. This is the Good Day Sunshine Fundamental cardstock stickers. So lots of options on there. Some border strips, some little arrows, some circular pieces, glasses. Very useful. And then this is the Expressions cardstock stickers, which has the small alphas. Kind of funny because I pointed out the small alphas in last week's kit from Kaisercraft, and then I didn't use them. I don't know what I was thinking. I actually used different ones, so I'll try to remember those are there and use them up. So lots of fun bits and pieces there. And this week we have some inspiration pieces that are not scrapbook related. We have one that is scrapbook related, and then the other two are not. Our first one is from Zia Tile Ceramics, and so we're going to use that image as some inspiration, and then we are going to move on to Signature Hardware Victorian Registers, and then our final one will be from Be Valent over at the Cocoa Vanilla Design Team. Thank you so much for watching. We will be back again tomorrow with another video using that first image as our inspiration. I will see you then, and take care. Bye-bye.